Our key goal here is to keep the doors open with the United States of America to ensure that we have good ongoing bilateral arrangements, and where we do have issues on phytosanitary and animal health, that we have open channels to be able to deal with them as quickly and expeditiously as possible so that we keep the mutual trade going.
Minister, at any stage during that particular meeting, did the issue of land expropriation or the Expropriation Act come up in what's happening to South African farmers, which has been the predominant narrative of the U.S., the White House at least, but at an official to official level, did that come up?
No, it didn't come up at all. It was a focus yesterday was on trade and how we can keep trade going. I've no doubt the matter will come up in the course of the period, and we must be honest, we have a rural safety problem, and it affects rural communities incredibly harshly because of poor police resources in rural areas, and of course the difficulties associated with policing in large areas. And that's why I think what we should be doing is looking for partnerships with other countries about how we can improve, using technology and other means, rural safety. Farmers and farm workers do feel unsafe and insecure in many parts of rural areas, but it's no different to challenges faced in rural areas around other parts of the world.